want sugar?
Say
No.
baby. Let me hear you say.
Baby, 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 baby,
Who sings baby, baby?
baby. La 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 la.
I brought you a cup
Baby.
for some milk and coffee if you want.
Baby.
You want a little coffee?
Oh, I like that cup.
Yes, that's
I
why.
got
Yeah, on
a cup
video.
of coffee.
Here, have this coffee, Kylie. Here, I'll give it to you.
And the cat is having it too, milk. And look, the cat had corn, and here's a corn holder.
Wow.
See that?
Yeah.
Just like you.
Are you gonna have you want your coffee black or do you want it with cream or sugar?
Cream.
Cream? Alright. You want it black or you want it with cream?
Cream.
Alright. Would you like sugar or sweet and low?
Sweet but no.
Sweet and low.
You're gonna sweep it low. I think, Kylie, say your mama.
Oh, mama, baka, baka.
Baka baka. What do you
She
got there?
speaks a foreign language.
You speak it for? Wait, what's in there?
Coffee?
Good thing your mama ain't gonna see this
Yeah.
video.
And here's your Dunkin' cookies.
Who lets you have coffee?
Oh, coffee.
Oh man, who gave you that coffee?
Okay, I'm gonna give you a little coffee.
I don't want this.
You don't want Dunkin' coffee?
I want-
And these are Rice Krispie treats.
You want this?
a Rice Krispie?
Yeah.
Okay.
Pat, can I give you this? It's okay, right?
Yeah,
If
give
you
him mine.
Oh,
Yeah.
yours
I'm
is
putting
darker.
some coffee in
Pat.
yours.
Alright.
You got a spoon to stir it?
Yeah.
Busted.
No.
Oh, man.
Okay. A little, yeah. A little.
Oh,
no,
man.
not that hot.
Should I delete this, Pat?
Good?
Oh man. What's it taste like?
Want me to open the treat for you?
Yeah.